channel, and welcome if you're new. I'm Holly, and today I'm going to share with you a very small Ramey's grocery haul. It's a local grocery store to us, and it's mainly in several southern states, so it's more of a regional type store. But I just picked up a few things that I needed for the week, and at the end I'm going to share with you my meal plan as well. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'm going to show you just a few things that I did pick up for this week. So the things that I did pick up were, I had one orange bell pepper, one green bell pepper, I think I had 3 limes, some Roma tomatoes, 2 red onions, the sweet onions, I love these, also some parsley, some basil, and some Kraft, the Creamy Melt Italian cheese, already shredded with the Philadelphia cream cheese. And you're gonna probably hear my grandson in the background. He's playing, so he's having some fun. Some unsalted butter, some salted butter, some shredded lettuce, already shredded, vitamin D milk for just some recipes, some Parmesan shredded cheese, some Mexican 4 cheese, also some Blue Plate mayonnaise. I like the olive oil one for right now because it's low in points. And I've already opened this one up. It's the KC Classic Steakhouse marinade, because I needed to get my supper going before I started this grocery haul. So this will be in one of my meals for the week. Also some Deluxe Supreme Italian dressing, some pork. This is Tony Chachere's pork marinade, Creole style, zesty ranch sauce, some horseradish sauce, and 2 bags of the rice medley, the Knorr. Those are great for a quick side dish. Also some Tony Chachere's Creole roasted chicken flavored rice, sun-dried tomatoes. These are McCormick's The Street Taco Mix Southwest Ranch chicken, some chives, and so I can't always get fresh chives, so I got these to kind of add to recipes. Some minced garlic when I get lazy and don't feel like fooling with whole garlic and things like that. I have that on hand. Some Kinder's Buttery Steakhouse. If you've not tried this seasoning, definitely try this one. This one is really, really delicious. Also some black beans. And this one is Bush's Taco Fiesta black beans, this Sidekicks. So I'm interested to see exactly, what this one is. And it's in a mild chipotle sauce. So we'll see that one. This is just the Rotel, the diced tomatoes and green chilies. Some Mexican style corn. I like the Mexican corn for recipes. Some Taco Bell mild thick and chunky salsa. And these are the Mission Zero net carbs. If you haven't tried these are really good. These are sun-dried tomato with basil. And this one is just the original regular like flour tortillas. So these are small, you can see my hand. So these make great little Tostitos and things like that. You can make little mini tacos and just all kinds of things with these. So that's a great option to have on hand. And some chicken breasts. The only thing is, I wasn't happy because these are the ones with the ribs, so I have to cut this off the bone. I usually get the ones already deboned, so this will take me a little bit of time to do, but I got 2 packs of those to put in my freezer and for some recipes. And I have 3 packs of, these are the small packs of sirloin tip steaks. I usually put these in different types of recipes as well. So I like to have these on hand in the freezer. I can just pull these out real quick if I want to make a stir fry or just anything, any type of meal that I need to add some beef to. So this is a great option to have in your refrigerator. Same with the chicken breast. Always good to have these on hand. Just you never know when you want to have something quick to make. So that is everything that I got for this grocery haul. And I will show you my meal plan. I'm going to put all of these cold things up first, and then I will show you what I'm going to make for this week. And this is going to be my meal plan for the week. I'm going to try to get 2 what's for dinner type videos from this. So it starts with, you know, Monday and it goes through Sunday. So these are a couple of the meals I have planned. And like I said, hopefully I can get 2, because it's going to go into the following week as well, to get 2 what's for dinner type videos up. But sirloin tip steak is going to be 1 sirloin tip steak with potatoes. Sausage, peppers, and veggies is going to be another. Santa Fe chicken, marinated pork chops, chicken Alfredo and stuffed shells. This is going to be a collab, and you may already have seen this one, so that's there. Some street tacos, and then on Sunday, I don't have anything planned yet. Not sure, because this one is Mother's Day, so we're deciding on what we want to do for that. And then, like I said, I'll be going into the next week and trying to figure out what we're going to do for that week, so I can have some meal plans, ready to go, and have a what's for dinner video for you the following week. So hopefully you'll get those soon and give you some ideas. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in seeing more like it, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell. That will notify you when I post new videos. Hope everyone has a blessed day. Thank y'all so much for watching. God bless y'all.